So you want to build an online business, but you know you need to start shooting video, taking pictures of yourself, doing Facebook Lives, whatever you know that you should be doing to take the next step in your business, but you aren't actually doing it because you're worried about what others think. Maybe your family, maybe your friends, maybe just random trolls on the internet. You're worried what they're going to think or what they're going to say about you. Hey, it's Leah Ray from ToddandLeahRay.com. And this is one of the most common answers we get from people when we ask them, why aren't you doing video? Why aren't you doing lives? Why aren't you showing your face, taking pictures of yourself? The things that they know they're supposed to be doing in their business. So I wanted to take a moment here to give you some important insights to help you get past this and to take the action that you need to take to create the business and the life that you deserve. So first off, I get it. Putting yourself out there makes you vulnerable. It makes you vulnerable, and it can be a little scary at the beginning. Guess what, guys? The more you do it, it will get easier and easier though, so understand that. Now, in order to get the results that you're looking for, you really have to take that next step. If what we were doing online was super duper crazy easy and you really didn't have to do anything that made you uncomfortable, everyone would be millionaires. We'd all be doing this online and no one would have real jobs. That's not the case, guys, because you have to be willing to get uncomfortable and do those sorts of things in order to create the business and get the income that you're looking for. Now, I want you to chew on something that's really, really powerful. I actually got this from The Slight Edge by Jeff Olson. On average, only 10 people are going to cry at your funeral. 10. That's it. 10 people. Only 10 people are going to cry at your funeral. So if only 10 people are going to cry at your funeral, you're really going to let the other people that aren't going to cry, you're going to let them hold you back from creating the life of your dreams? From chasing your dreams to creating the future that you want for you and your family? They're not even going to cry at your funeral. Why in the world would you give them that power? That's insane. Insane. So who cares? They're not going to cry. They're not that invested in you anyway. Plus, I want you to think about this. Think about the people who have millions and millions of people cry at their funerals. Were those the people that cared what other people thought of them? Think about it. Mother Teresa, Martin Luther King Jr., people that impacted the world. Did they care what other people thought of them? No. They did what they needed to do. So let that free you. Let that free you from the chains, the bonds of worrying about what other people think. If you want to make an impact on the world, go do what you need to do despite what anybody else thinks. Now go out there and get her done. Take those selfies, go live, shoot video, whatever it is that you've been holding back from. Now, if you're ready to shoot video, to create some great content, make sure to click here in the upper right corner of your screen to learn how to create great content that's going to be bringing in the sales. Again, this is Leah Ray from ToddandLeahRay.com. We are rooting for you. We are here to help you create the time freedom that you and your family deserve. If you're new to our community, make sure to say hi in the comments so that we can welcome you. I'll see you soon.